Hayi-ke, kanti Mr. Xulu is not his name. It's not his name, Sana. It's somebody else's name. He's the imposter. Because why? Tell me why the guy Omazio. You remember that guy that was working by the street side when he passed with Glenda yesterday, right? Yes. Uyamfuna lo mlisa, he went asking around if they have seen him. Nobody said they saw him, and then today he decided to go that side, and then bese uyamthola again. Uguy yambuza ukuthi kani wenzani la Sibusiso? So I'm just not even sure ukuthi Sibusiso is his name because le he said he's Sibusiso. Oh, Sibusiso Xulu. Hayi. Manje lo mlisa lo osebenza naye lo mlisa lo osebenza estradini uthi no but sewuculu wena bathi guys usazoqhuma la and he couldn't answer that and he was so shocked because it's like now he's living his life on the edge. Everything makes him panic. Everything iyamthusa like he is on the edge for anything and everything. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Skim Sam Sanbonan. Timadekwana sanibonani avuxeni molweni minjhani hi pfukile hi ngongwina so namuntlha ka nongonoko wa hina wa Skim Sam hi kuma ku ri swilo swi tshamisekangi kahle looking at the fact that uMaNtuli is a bit worried about Mr. Xulu saying no, it looks like he is stressed or maybe khona ungahambi kahle. Maybe it's because uyintandane doesn't akanabani and the only family that he has is us. This was a conversation between Mantuli and Clement. And Clement was like, why would you be worried about somebody that you don't even know? For all we know, this person could be anything and everything, aren't they? And then Mantuli like, no, and remember that is the story that he told them. But I don't believe it because remember, there's that guy ngale, boyfriend who is saying that is the cousin. So yena athi agana muntu aganabani nje, he's just an intandanis. And Mantuli is buying that story and feels bad. Well, speaking of Mantuli's family, now that we have all established that Elizabeth is pregnant, then he decided to call the boys Bafana, sit them down. Guys, we are married. We are together in this. So if you're planning to do something, you tell us as the real housewives of Skim Sam. Because now you can't be planning such a big thing, taking a deal from Namibia without you saying nothing. So it means that all this time you were thinking that you were planning, Gucci, you are going to escape. Every day when you have to go to Namibia, you are going to escape. So if you sit down and talk to us, we are human, we understand, make us see the perspective. And I think that meeting went well. So much well so that there was a ha-hoo in the Maputla house where Tibos was fighting his wife. And then Upiti came downstairs and he was asking if they are divorcing again because now they are fighting. So he says, you guys are fighting, so it means you are divorcing. Then they said, no, we're just having a misunderstanding, but we are not divorcing. Piti comes home with a trophy. Everybody's happy. Umkhulu no gogo, they are there, they are celebrating. And then Mapiti also stressed her unsatisfaction because the husband did not tell her. Then she says, it's not that I'm against your deal or I'm against your success. I'm just saying when there's something like this, big decisions to be made, at least make me part of it so that we are together. So Tibos did a man thing and a kind thing, said, you know what? I understand I've wronged you. I do apologize. I was supposed to talk to you before I can even make any decisions. I know that these are life-threatening decisions, but I should have told you. But again, we are not anticipating any threat this time around because I think there's going to be a shuttle and something along those sides. Now, Mr. Fake Kulu, I think we had my feelings like Carol because Carol says, "Guti, you should have just told me when I did Glenda la bonana and stop style. Make me fall." Knowing that you're not gonna catch me. So I don't know what was he trying to do, or maybe he was trying to explain himself, or no, that's not what you think, or he was trying to say, yes, that's what I'm trying to pursue, but I like you as well. I don't know what he was trying to do. Now, in him trying to juggle all these imposter things and stuff, we then realize with Nasetlasin isn't that is he even a teacher to start with? There's a lot that I don't understand. Etlasini, he was bega kota ama spellings, apalinte ngeko, ama students were reminding him, and he was never in the class. And I'm like, konente shamanjilana. Something is hitting the waters, and we will have to find out soon enough. Anywho, on the other hand, again, I think the boys have been allowed to go and bayenza into zabuli eNamibia, but then must be ngapha emshadweni ke ugele bamnikeza ingubo it's around 150,000. Yabona lo wedding planner ye makashiswe, because she is there to make sure ukuthi Pretty spend more than what she has, and this is going to drive Lehasa crazy.